For the treatment of typhoid fever, grind onion and garlic and soak them inside cold water for about 10 hours. Grind onion and garlic juice, extract the juice and soak them in cold water for 10. Get basil leaf, that's efirin. It can be your compound or nearby. You are going to get it. When you get it, you are going to squeeze it to extract the water, and that water is the juice. Now you are going to mix it with onion juice and the garlic juice that you have extracted. Now both of them, when you mix it together, you now sieve it. After sieving it, you will now add honey to it again. So you will be taking it. Adults will take 2 spoonfuls, while the children will only take 1 spoon. That's all. What I said so far is that for the treatment of typhoid fever to go completely natural, without going to the doctor or anything, if you want to treat it, this is what you are going to do. You are going to listen to me. Number one thing is to get onion juice. Then you mix it with garlic juice. When you mix both of them together, you will now place it in the cold water for 10 hours. Cold water for 10 hours. Another thing you are going to do is to get basil leaf. That is efirin, basil leaf. Now you are going to squeeze the basil leaf together and extract the juice inside that leaf. After you extract the juice, you now mix the onion and garlic juice that you have gotten, mix everything together, then you will now sieve it. After sieving it, what you sieve, you have extracted the juice now. You will now mix it with honey, maybe 2 spoons of honey. Mix it together with it. Then adults will take 2 spoonfuls, while the children will take only 1 spoonful. Thank you for understanding this method. If you don't watch the first one, you watch the second, you watch the third one. One must be able to work for you. I'm telling you the truth, because natural thing is very good. When you have natural things around you, you will be far away from doctor. These are natural. Cure malaria naturally. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.